Splash Mountain. It may look peaceful and fun, but the only way out is a long way down. Now open Splash Mountain at Disneyland.
Splash Mountain is truly a beloved log flume ride. It has captured the hearts of Disney fans for decades. It began with its grand opening at Disneyland in 1989, followed by Tokyo Disneyland and later Magic Kingdom. This iconic attraction took guests on a thrilling adventure through the animated world of Brer Rabbit and Friends. From its inception, Splash Mountain became a symbol of joy and imagination. It transformed into a place where dreams came true, laughter echoed through the air, and cherished memories were made. Its vibrant scenes, catchy tunes, and breathtaking drops captivated guests of all ages. However, in June 2020, an unexpected announcement left fans filled with mixed emotions. It was revealed that Splash Mountain would receive a new theme based on Disney's 2009 film, The Princess and the Frog. This decision aimed to embrace diversity and provide a fresh experience for future generations. For many, this news was met with a sense of loss. Splash Mountain had become an integral part of their Disney experience, with cherished memories etched into their hearts. The ride's unique charm, engaging storyline, iconic music, and characters had made it a fan favorite over the years. Generations of families enjoyed the excitement of plummeting down the steep drops, singing along with the catchy tunes, and marveling at the vibrant scenes. The ride truly became a timeless classic, creating a special bond like no other attraction between the guests and the magic of Disney. Behind the scenes, Splash Mountain's creation was a labor of love. Imagineers meticulously designed and constructed the elaborate sets, animatronics, and water features to bring that whimsical world of Brer Rabbit to life. Their attention to detail and dedication ensured that every rider would be transported to a place of enchantment. From its opening day, Splash Mountain was an instant hit. Guests marveled at the intricate storytelling and the immersive experience that awaited them within each splash-filled adventure. The ride's popularity soared, and it became an iconic symbol of Disney magic. Throughout the years, countless families created treasured memories on Splash Mountain. The laughter, the excitement, and the shared experiences formed bonds that transcended time. From the youngest thrill seekers to the young at heart, the ride brought joy to all who embarked on its watery journey. As we commemorate the closing of Splash Mountain, let's honor the incredible legacy that it leaves behind. It will forever hold a special place in the hearts of those who experienced its stories and its undeniable charm. Goodbye, Splash Mountain. Thank you for the memories that will live on in our hearts forever.